In reference to the blog, how to earn passive income through a graphic design using the free online tools, design tools which are available in the internet. So you can find the blog link in the descriptions below. So today I'll show you the live demonstration of my own assignment that I have received from the client. So the client have given a requirement to create a post where he want to showcase his company services and the other contact details. So he needs something where he can post the same in all the social media platform. Okay, so let's start, and I'll just brief you through the online free tool, which is similar to what we have called as Photoshop. There is www.photopea.com. So open your browser. If you type this particular URL, you will get redirected to the Photopea tool. So click on the new project if you are already working, if you're creating the new project, if you want to work on the something new, want to create something new, and you can also use the option called as open from computer, where you can open any of your existing project or a files, irrespective of it is in whichever format or in whichever extension, created in any other tools, like it can be a PSD, AI, Sketch, okay, or any raw file where you want to directly edit the images, so you can upload the raw file over here. So I'm just choosing the new project. Select your dimension in which uh, in the dimension of your page of your post. So I'm choosing your the Instagram dimension which the client have requested for, and click on create. So you'll get the empty canvas where you can design as per your uh, choice and as per the requirement. So from the client, I also received a logo, and he told me that this post should have something, the color scheme, which is very related to the logo. So I'll just paste the logo on the page. So this is a logo I received from the client. It's a company called as TechUps. So we will create a color scheme or a design similar to the color which is used in the logo. So I'll plan to design something like uh, I'll separate the screen. Initially, I'll draw something over here. I accommodate some mobile screen here so that I can list out the company name inside if I want. To the left hand side, I'll plan to mention the services they provide, and somewhere here I'll place the logo. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I'll just randomly try to create some wave uh, or a design. Let me check how it goes. Okay, it's going well. Okay, I'll reduce this particular size. So here I have chosen the pen tool. Okay, if you see the pen tool, just right click on it and choose the pen option. You just have to click and the next point where you want to place the design, and I'm just dragging using my mouse. So if you how much curve you want, you can drag accordingly. And the final point I want to place it over here. So yeah, so I'm dragging as per the need. So this is something I'm thinking of. Something like this. I'll cover the one-fourth of the page with this particular design. Let me see how it goes. Okay, so this is fine, and I'll cover the rest of the part with also the same. Fine, I'll give a color, a different color to this. So for coloring, I have to go to blending option. You can change the color from the top menu over here. You can fill the colors right from here as well. But I want to use some gradients. So I'll change it to right click on the shape, blending option, gradient overlay. Click on the gradient. You can choose a color right from here. So I choose something similar to what we have in the logo, right? So what I do is I'll pick the logo color from here. So for that, I choose the option mm, right over here. Let me check where is an option to choose a color which I want. Yeah, there's an option called as dropper inside the crop tool. So I select the color from here. So if you see that color got changed and the blue color got appended there. So now I go into the blending option, gradient overlay, gradient, and pick the color from there. Okay, so it's a blue, fine. And here the same texture, but I use some lighter blue shade. Something like this would be fine, I guess. Not very light. Yeah, this is fine. I think this gradient will work. And I'll change the angle. I want the blue towards the left hand side, darker to the left and brighter to the right hand side. So this is fine. Let me see how it goes. Yeah, this is looking good. Uh, yeah. So I'll add one more design texture to it. What I'll do is I'll just click on the same shape. I'll give a shape as some shape one. Yeah, I can name it as shape one. I don't want to duplicate the shape. So I'll just left click on it and click on duplicate option. I'll name this as shape 2. It will be easy to recognize. Yeah. I'll change the color of the shape 2 so that it will be visible. So I'll keep it as plain white. Let me see how it goes. Plain white background is also white. Okay, I'll give it slight uh, grayish color. Fine. Now I couldn't see the shape 1 because they are getting overlap. So if I want to see the shape 1, I have to place it above the shape 2. Just drag and place it above the shape 2. And if I want to see, I just need a shade kind of a thing. So I'll just select shape 2, click on the move tool option in the left hand corner and just drag it bit above. Yeah, this way. Just get a shade, something like this. Yeah. Now what I'll do is I'll add the mobile screen right over here. I have already downloaded the mobile screen from the internet, so you can use a same. So what I'll do is I'll have some mobile phone. I'll just drag it and place it inside the yeah, like this way. But I could see there is some background color inside the mobile phone, and I want to make it as a transparent. I'll place it above. Over here, there's an option called as Magic Wand. Just click on that. It's a kind of a cropping. Uh, Select the space that you want to cut. Then, okay, before cutting, you have to ensure that you have rasterized the image. So rasterize the image and delete. Okay. So if I want to next select these part and want to cut that particular space, So I selected the part and just click on delete, tap on delete. And now in order to remove this blinking kind of an highlight, you just click on Control D. With Control D, it will go off. Now the image, the mobile is already cropped. Now you can place it in the right position wherever you want. Want to reduce the size. So hold the shift button and move your cursor to invert. So you can reduce likewise. So this is fine. I place it a bit below, down over here. I'll reduce from the left. Yeah, this seems to be